So people who are thinking about realtors, again, starting out as a side hustle, is now the right time to do that? Should they hold off? Any tips for potential realtors out there?
So there's never a bad time. There are better time, there are worse time, but there's never a bad time because people will always need to. Number one, if you're in the mortgage business, which I was in the mortgage business for 18 years, there are a lot of people that are trying to get out of a zombie mortgage or a bad mortgage, right? Interest rates go up and it's time for them to skedaddle out of the mortgage that made so much sense 5 years ago. Doesn't make sense anymore to be in that. Realtors, there are a lot of people who do that as a side hustle, especially around me and around Ian, around you. There are a ton of people that's their side gig because it's easy to get started. It's easy to qualify, take the classes and get the licensing to do that. How successful they are is the same as any business. It's learning the tools and the techniques for doing this, and then applying them, and how quickly you can ramp up and learn how to be a realtor. Did we lose him?
True. Look,
I know.
and I agree with that, Wayne.